So here is part 2 of the GT86 build. We're actually gonna do some work on the car now, not just talk about it. And I'm gonna bring you guys through that. I want to say yo, big up for the support. I've seen the views, I've seen the likes, I've seen the comments. I see all people from different countries commenting and say, yo, well, I'm watching it from Antigua and so forth. By the way, comment which country you're watching this from. It's really interesting to see. But I want to big you guys up for the support, and I'm gonna put effort into the series. If you haven't watched the last video, check in the playlist, and that's just an introductory video kind of showing how the car looks like and what's gonna happen. But before I get into that, yeah, gym, and then we do the car. So here's a little montage. I believe said that never made no sense while ago. I'm going to the gym 9:38 and boss tell me say yo 10 o'clock it lock. So then I just do what I could and just left his eat. But my portal got 24 tuners, believe. We reach. So I'm gonna see what I'm going, yeah. Alright, here we have Chris from 24 tuners. I work on the build. So what we plan to do today?
Right now we're dismantling, so we can see the extent of the damage.
Believe. Anybody want to buy it? Is it half a quarter one bumper? Or have it to sell?
Some McLaren, we could have come in and go walk out. Some Ferrari and them something we could have going on. Come in and go.
Believe no? No, it's have to go deeper, you know. Yeah, but yeah.
Do it again. More again for that. More get the gas for that. Alright. This is the chassis leg. The rear chassis leg. So you can see the crimp right there. Showing that it swings to the
Right.
This one, it's supposed to be here, but it's now in here. So you have to pull the frame all the way back out before any more work on it.
Me and the man here do the hardest work, you know.
Yes,
believe.
sir.
Believe.
Yes,
Look how much work we do.
Not even the shoes. Not even the shoes was spared. Shoes was spared. Yeah, man.
Believe.
Things going through the back.
Right now we are take out the tire, is it?
Technological.
Technologia.
Technologia. I shouldn't. Technologia. I should.
Man, them believe in our team right now. So, man, move. Teamwork. Technology. See, man like Matt Armstrong has some big shop, you know. We have 2 black youth. That me I say. Are this within a slavery for man? You know I want to try to put it like sideways. Oh.
Like this.
Yeah.
Technology.
Technology. Believe. Now we're stuck at a different place. Believe.
Let's roll it to the left.
I can't roll. You can't push up this part.
Yeah, but you put up this part, you lock into this. So, all you need to know, more technology.
Believe. Pull it. Hold this. Yeah, turn cameraman now. I'm a technique now and technology.
Come on.
Yeah, man, see the technology, man.
Push us how we come to our windscreen, don't eh?
Yeah, man. Believe, no?
Mitsubishi. Get rid of Mitsubishi.
Believe.
Show them the brand. Get rid of Mitsubishi.
That was on the car, that was in the car.
That was in the car, is it?
Mitsubishi.
That wasn't on the car, it was in the car.
Get a bottle. Mitsubishi.
My name, guess how much miles per hour should I drive just by this? Believe.
We're going to put back in the floor in this car. This will be that cage.
Sir.
So no back seats.
No.
No box.
We just got some.
No
bam,
trunk.
Bam.
We're going to be that cage.
Now I take off this ugly ass body kit, you get me? So yeah, depend technically all 4 corners. I want to take it off. So I take a look. Alright, so rain about to fall, so we shall cover back the car. The next thing we're gonna do is, well, let me make the mechanic explain it. So what's the next step for us?
Next step, the car's going to go in the bay and get stretched.
Believe. Man, I want to show you something now. So as you know, you get me? Man say, oh, you want that custom sticker. So the custom sticker, believe. Wait, focus now? Yeah, believe. So this is where we're gonna stop today. Basically, just did a lot of work taking out the pieces of the back to see what the damage really is. For part 3 though, we have an idea. So we have 2 main ideas what to do with this car. We want you guys to vote. So what we're gonna try to do, we're gonna get some 3D models of what we envision. Make you guys vote to see what you guys prefer to see. It's 2 things that we've never really seen done before with a GT86. So then you guys can vote on that. So follow up the Instagram, follow up the TikTok. We did a lot of work today. We did a lot of work today. Subscribe. That's the first thing. Second thing, tell me which country you're watching from, guys. I'm really interested to see, or which parish you're watching from if you're from Jamaica. Third thing, share this with your uncle, your auntie, your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, or your girlfriend. Man them, believe.